To go. Okay, that's what this verb means. Now, it's irregular in some tenses and regular in others. So let's talk about the present tense first.
Was that on our test that I thing?
No, the I thing
Was
is they. That was they.
That's what I put. So I just wanted to make sure I didn't like mess it up.
Oh, there's another form with A.
Of A, yes. Okay, present tense. Does anyone remember how the present tense of AO is conjugated?
Oh.
Okay? I go, you go, he, she, it goes, we go, y'all go, they go. Present tense, not regular. Nope. Just has to be memorized. Imperfect.
Oh, is it like the only one that's different or whatever?
Yes.
Why is it different? Why can't it be the same?
Well, there are actually fewer irregular verbs than I think we have in English. I mean, there are a lot of verbs that we don't say, like we did show, for instance. When we got to the perfect, it wasn't I have showed, it was I have shown. It's not eat, I eat, I eated, I have eated. It's I eat, I ate, I have eaten. So, yeah, this is just one of those, just irregular. Okay, but it's not in the imperfect. In the imperfect, it's fine. Ibam, ibas, ibat, ibamus, ibatus, and ibant. I was going, you were going, he, she, it was going, we were going, y'all were going, and they were going. Future tense. Ibo, ibis, ibit, ibimus, ibitus, and ibant. So in the future, what conjugation does it look like?
It looks like the perfect.
What kind of verbs have future endings that look like this?
First.
First conjugation?
Oh.
What about second?
Yeah.
What about third?
No.
No. So first and second conjugation verbs have future endings that look like this. Perfect. Okay, we have two possible third principal parts. So let's start with this first one. In this first one, what's the stem? Oh, that's a V. IV.
Oh, I see.
So it would be iwi, iwisti, iwit, iwimus, iwistus, and iwerunt. Okay, so nothing weird there. Or, okay, now let's go to our alternate form. What is the stem for our alternate form? Just I. Now, you'll find this in your books on page
87.
84. 84. So, the first person is just EE. So our stem would be the letter I. What would you expect the second person to be? Right, except it's not. It just becomes isti. Now what about the third person? What would you expect it to be? It, and it can be. What else do you think it might be? Yep. Okay, what about the first person plural? And is that a possibility?
Yes.
Eemus. Eemus. Do these two I's ever contract? No.
Yeah.
Or do they?
What do you mean contract?
Is there an alternate form
Yeah.
listed?
I.
What's that? Okay, what about second person plural? What would you expect?
I-I-S-T. Not.
But it's not.
Why?
It's just Eastus. I don't know.
It should be I-E-R-U-N-T.
Errant. Now, there wouldn't be two I's here.
Wait.
They have the
It's
I.
I-E-R-V. You get that too.
/I. Oh, sure. That's using our other ending. I-E-R-E. That's using our alternate ending for the third person version. Now, I'm not going to write them up here because they're regular. The future perfect and pluperfect are regular. So no problems there. So you'll form those, whether you use the iwi form or the ee form, those are going to be regular. So this is the only one that's weird. And honestly, I'm not worried a whole lot about it. I'm going to make you learn it, of course. But the reason I don't worry a whole lot about it is because when I see one of these forms, I know what it means. I mean, if I see Eastus, I know that that's going to be you plural went. Okay, that's it. Your homework is drill